Hi friends, welcome to yet another episode of Dr. Coheart. Understanding the ecology of microbes causing zoonotic diseases is very significant in the light of recent Nipah outbreak. Today, we have with us Dr. Jonathan Epstein, the Vice President for Science and Outreach at EcoHealth Alliance, who has been instrumental in working with Nipah virus to explain this topic. Over to Dr. John Epstein.
Hi, my name is Dr. John Epstein. I work for EcoHealth Alliance in New York, in the United States. I'm a disease ecologist and I study emerging zoonotic diseases, typically viruses that come from wildlife and make their way into livestock and people and cause epidemics. One of the important aspects of disease ecology is really understanding how epidemics occur. And what we're finding more and more with emerging diseases like SARS or MERS or Nipah virus is that by and large, human activities are responsible for driving epidemics. Things like deforestation, urbanization, global travel and trade, bushmeat hunting, things that bring people into more contact with wildlife specifically, provide opportunity for viruses or other microbes to jump from wildlife hosts into new hosts like livestock or people and cause disease. One of the big challenges with studying and understanding and responding to epidemics that are triggered by diseases of wildlife origin is both trying to understand how the disease emerges and the impact it might have on human health or livestock health, but also being very careful to convey messages of conservation and the importance of protecting and not vilifying the wild animals that carry those pathogens. Oftentimes the initial reaction from public health or even the public in general is that if a wild animal is the source of a virus, then it should be exterminated or removed from an environment. Number one, that's often not practical or even feasible, but number two, it's often ecologically ill-advised. To take an animal out of an ecosystem is to create a vacuum that another animal or another host might move into. And many of the animals that carry viruses or other microbes that are harmful to people are actually ecologically very important. For example, bats. Bats have been associated with a disproportionate number of zoonotic viruses. But bats, which is the second most speciose or diverse group of mammals on the planet after rodents, are incredibly important ecologically. Fruit bats are pollinators and they disperse seeds around, propagating rainforests and other important trees. And insectivorous bats control pest populations, moths and beetles, even mosquitoes. So these animals have a really important role to play and are actually vital to our well-being. So to understand that viruses might come from bats and impact human health is important, but also our actions to protect human health should not involve eliminating or destroying wildlife. In fact, we have to protect and preserve ecosystems. And in doing so, we find that actually also protects human health. So public health and conservation go hand in hand and are actually mutually beneficial.
Thanks a lot, Dr. Epstein, for your enriching talk. We'll meet with another topic next week. Thank you.